Hi there! We are back again with some fun and creative art supplies which promises to keep you and your kids occupied for hours.
Today we are reviewing some products from the Potli brand.
Potli creates simple interactive educational kits for children which not only promises to keep the Indian art form alive but also provides livelihood to Indian artisans.
The two products we are reviewing today uses block printing method.
Block printing consists of carving a design on a wooden block, covering the design with dye or paint, and then stamping it onto the fabric. The first product that we would be reviewing allows you to create your own Panchatantra book using the block printing method. This kit includes story cards, wooden blocks, and paints that allows you to illustrate this Panchatantra book in your own unique style. And like all Potli products, the back comes with a lot of details about the origin of block printing, the methods used in block printing, and even about how Panchatantra tales came into being.
The second product is a DIY t-shirt kit using block printing.
This contains a white t-shirt, a wooden stamp, and paints that allows you to create your own unique hand-printed t-shirt. Both these products are available on Potli's official website, which is www.potli.org, and even on the Amazon website. So shall we open this up and start reviewing it?
Yes! This is what you find inside the box. There are 5 handcrafted wooden blocks, a set of 6 poster colors, 4 pieces of sponge, 2 sets of story cards, a string for binding the book, 2 brushes, and instructions on the base of the box. These are the contents of the t-shirt block printing kit. There is a white cotton t-shirt, a wooden block, a bottle of fabric paint, a sponge, and an instruction leaflet.
This was such a unique experience, and I really think you enjoyed using these carved blocks.
Yes, I did, and I'm really looking forward to wearing this t-shirt during summers.
For more such interesting products, don't forget to check the Potli website www.potli.org.
If you like this video, then subscribe and give a thumbs up.
And don't forget to click the bell button to get notified each time we post a new video.